how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. So you're gonna have to simply click on add apps, and basically you're gonna have to simply download this app here. And basically with this app here, you can simply import reviews if you want, and you should be able to also import products. Now, if this app doesn't work for you, you're gonna have to simply go to the App Store and then simply search for Amazon Importer. And as you can see, we have this one here from Reputon. So you can simply install this, and with this app basically you're gonna be able to simply paste the link and the app will do all the work for you. So it's gonna copy the images, the description, title and everything of that product. So simply click on start, and as you can see you're gonna have to simply paste the link and click on import, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.